Hey everyone, welcome back to Verified Gains. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody is having a good weekend so far. Today's date is March 22nd, 2025. So we are nearing the end of March. And, in terms of macroeconomics, people are still very weary of a possible recession. So not a whole lot of movement going on so far. That said, let's dive right into the markets. So, starting with Bitcoin, we have yet to retest the $78,000 line, and I really hope you don't. I really hope that our next, retest is actually over here at $92,500. Right now, we're not seeing a whole lot of movement. We're sort of stalling around this $84,000 mark. And like I've said before, we're in the quote unquote dead man zone. And so, in terms of Bitcoin, I probably would not DCA. That's not financial advice, but I would not DCA. If I were investing in Bitcoin right now, I would not DCA. Because there's an equal likelihood of me, the Bitcoin retesting the $78,000 mark versus $92,500. Okay, and from a risk perspective, it's not like it's making a huge difference. About 9 to 10% upside potential with a downside risk of about 6 to 7%. Okay, so. Let's take a look at Solana very quickly. Today is going to be a short video. Okay, there's not a whole lot to say, but I did want to update you guys because I did dollar cost average into Solana once again. Got my paycheck, put in about 30%. Okay, whatever I earn, I'm putting in about 30% of my paycheck. Okay, that's just my strategy here. Now I've been very transparent about it. Um, don't ask what I do for a living. Okay, so right now, the $125, $126 support line is serving very well its purpose. And yesterday, after we consolidated above it, and once we closed above it, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to dollar cost average because I like the price. I bought in around 130. That's the price they gave me at the exchange. So I bought it at 130. And I like where we're heading so far. But here's a risk. Remember, these layer one alts are going to follow the footsteps of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, like I just said, is in the dead man zone. So if we do end up retesting that support line for Bitcoin, then there is a high likelihood of us retesting and possibly breaking down to the bottom, unless this is the start of the altcoin season. So we'll see. Okay, if there's a discordance, then it likely could be the start of the altcoin season that everybody was hoping for, me included, but we'll see. Okay, so hopefully we start going up from here. I think we'll get a little bit more data come Monday, because these days not a whole lot happening over the weekend. But if we do, then I'll make another video and make sure to let you guys know. Thank you for watching and listening in. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye bye.